Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make text strike through in Google Chat. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make text strike through in Google Chat, open your browser and go to Google Chat. On menu bar at left side you will find all of your chat friends. Just select your chat friends and in typing area you will find an icon formatting options. Click on formatting options and here you will find an option strike through. Just click on strike through, type your chat sentences. I'm going to type IT system admin. Look, all that text I am typing right now are strike through. Just click on send and look, the text become the strike through. This is easiest way to make text strike through in Google Chat. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.